Hello everyone, welcome back to PM Playbook. In this episode, we shift our focus from the foundations of project management to the principles and mindsets that guide how projects are led and delivered. We'll explore the core principles that shape decision making and behavior, and the key mindsets that help project managers anticipate challenges, take ownership, and deliver real value. These ideas form the backbone of effective project management, and in the upcoming slides, we will break them down with practical examples to show how they work in action. Project management principles. Every profession is guided by principles, broad guidelines that shape how decisions are made and problems are solved. In project management, these principles aren't rigid rules or prescriptive laws. Instead, they act as a compass reinforcing the right mindset and guiding the behavior of everyone involved in the projects. Think of them as foundation beneath all standards and methodologies. Whether you're using predictive, agile, or hybrid approaches, the principles remain constant. They remind us why we manage projects the way we do. For example, imagine a project team under pressure to deliver quickly. A principle like embed quality into processes ensures they don't cut corners, while focus on value reminds them that speed alone isn't success unless the outcome creates real benefit. These principles are flexible, meant to adapt to the context of the organization, the project, and the stakeholders. They complement one another, sometimes overlapping, because project management itself is interconnected and complex. By aligning with these principles, project managers can navigate uncertainty, balance competing demands, and ultimately drive meaningful, sustainable change. Project management mindset. Project management is not only about tools and schedules, it is also about the mindset we bring to our work. There are three key mindsets, each supported by two guiding principles. The first is the proactive mindset. This means thinking ahead and planning carefully so quality is built into every step. For example, if you're managing a construction project, you don't wait for defects to show up at the end. You plan inspections and quality checks throughout. The principles here are adopt a holistic view and embed quality into processes. The second one is the ownership mindset. This is about accountability and building strong teams. Imagine a software project where the leader doesn't just assign tasks but make sure the team feels responsible for the outcome. The principles here are be an accountable leader and build an empowered culture. The third is the value driven mindset. This focus on delivering maximum value and integrating sustainability. For example, a company launching a new product might not only aim for profit but also design it to be eco-friendly. The principles here are focus on value and integrates sustainability. Together, these mindsets create a framework for project success. They are often called growth mindset, the belief that skills and outcomes can always be improved through learning and adaptability. With a growth mindset, challenges aren't roadblocks, they are opportunities to grow and deliver better results. In the next episode, we will explore the project life cycles and the different project focus areas that shape how work is organized from start to finish. We'll also dive into the three major development approaches predictive, adaptive, and hybrid. What makes this especially interesting is that these approaches aren't one size fits all. Organizations and projects can mix and match them depending on their goals, culture, and level of uncertainty. For example, a construction project might lean towards predictive planning, while a software startup thrives with adaptive methods. And many projects combine both, creating hybrid approaches that balance structure with flexibility. It's going to be exciting to see how these approaches work individually and how they can be blended to fit real world needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with friends and colleagues, and subscribe to PM Playbook. That way, you will never miss out on more practical project management insights. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care and keep building great projects.